everyone, we are back with another light today. We actually had a Meigour light once before. This one actually has 6 bulbs. We'll go ahead and we'll show you how to put that on. Here we have the fixture, and then we have instructions with what we're going to need to wire our fixture in. We'll go ahead and go over how easy it is. First look at it, very nice. The material seems very durable. You could bend these arms every which way. The lights are twistable, bendable. There's endless possibilities with this light. So let's go ahead down and show you how we would install. First, we would go ahead and take out the screws from each side, releasing our plate. Once we release that plate, you'll notice that there's wiring in there. We also have a ground wire connected to our plate, which is very important. So if you take notice to the actual fixture itself, very simple wiring. That's what's wonderful about this fixture. Just negative and positive and your ground wires. Before we go ahead and wire anything, we want to go ahead and stick our anchors into our wall. Once we have that in our wall, we want to install this metal plate onto the wall. So we would screw our screws in. Once we have our screws screwed in, our plate is now attached to the wall. Then we would go ahead, get our fixture. We would wire our positive and negative. We would just use the caps provided to cover our wiring. Replace our plate, screw in both sides. Bulbs here, they do not come with the fixture itself. So now we'll go ahead and we'll show you how to install the light bulbs. All we want to do is go ahead and we want to match our prongs up on our bulb to the holes on our fixture, and then we just want to give it a turn to the right. It's just that easy. It is worth purchasing them. Overall, I'm loving the look of this light fixture. I love all the possibilities it has with how functional it is, and I like how durable it looks. It's very modern. If you're in the market for a very affordable fixture that looks amazing in any environment, check out the Meigour lights. The 6 LED lights seems like a little too much. They also offer a 4. So yeah, go check them out. See what we have next time.